Hi YouTube team, this is Aldrin Batenyo from Dulce Official, and today I will share with you my videos. Appeal on last August 13, 2024, I will receive an email from your team that my YouTube channel was demonetized due to various content. I will make this video to explain to your team. My videos is a different type content: unboxing, comedy, dancing, motovlogging, DIY, sharing tips and tutorial, vehicle and motorcycle. We review my old previous videos when I'm starting to make vlog creator. We found that my videos have copyright music, but we delete it when I got a notice. But now we apologize to our YouTube team. I'll delete the videos copyrights. And now I will show you what I use making a video. First, action cam. Second, cell phone. Lights, electric fan, share. This is the area we make editing my videos. And now I will show you how to edit videos using Android cell phone. My favorite application is KineMaster because of very affordable editing my videos and very convenient to make this and easy to do and editing my old videos, vlogging that we have to make this. Appeal on last August 13, 2024, I use copyrights. And now I will show you what. Hoping for your kinds and consideration to feedback my YouTube channel monetization as long as. Thank you YouTube team.